Listing 3751 is a completely unique auto body and auto repair shop opportunity available in Lake in the Hills, McHenry County, Illinois. Not only does the business provide auto repair and auto body services, but also incorporates a car sales dealership into the profits. The business possesses its repairer, rebuilder, and auto dealer license through the Secretary of State and has access for salvage and dealer auctions. The shop itself is immaculate, modern and organized with high ceilings and an open space for efficient workflow. All equipment with a value of $250,000 will convey with the sale of the business. This includes a downdraft paint booth, Silhouette Griffin frame with double lift, Bosch alignment with a Hunter lift, Caterpillar forklift, Pro spot welder, and tire changing and balancing machines. Current owner will offer training and assistance for a negotiable period of time. For more information, please call 312-448-8080 or email us at sales@AutoBizBrokers.com.